Hello Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. Essential Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot. Sending you love all the way from India. Namaste, Bharat. Okay, so follow me on Instagram, SSHELLS Essentials running. These two cards flipped. I don't know what they are. I'm going to see it with you, okay? Right from 30th of August 2021 and so on. Fine. So the message that is coming for you is there's going to be race, and the race is going to be very easy for you. You're going to complete just like that, okay? And I heard like kangaroo jumps in life. So it's kind of like the vibe is going to be like you might feel like the kangaroo, okay? And the kangaroo is all about, you know, the care, loyalty, and it is also about the hop, like the jump they do, the jump they make, and it's very easy for them to run and win something. So it's going to be very easy, something over here, whatever it is connected with you, okay? There may be certain energy connected with kangaroo again. So this may be certain person in your life who they are going to jump in your life. Because first I saw the race is going to be easy, and while you are running, someone may join your forces, okay? This may happen. There's going to be surprise something. Surprise fetch, surprise call, someone. Okay, so conversation, surprise conversation. So I'm just going to take few cards that I'm going to keep it away, and then we're going to see more from the decks, okay? So there's going to be some conversation happening here in your future. That's what your calling is in this time frame or beyond. They're not going inside. Not going inside means some message, okay? So you have, first of all, faithfulness. There is faithfulness from someone that you're going to have, okay? It's also you being faithful to someone who lost someone. Maybe they lost their partner or way back, and they are healing, or they healed, or you helped them. If this goes or goes vice versa, something that they lost, okay? And you were someone to them possible prior. This is a lover or someone who is becoming your lover now. They're bringing faithfulness because they know what it means to lose something, okay? Possible. Or you know what it is to lose something or someone in life. So this is may go exactly like this, these kinds of words like a widower, conversation, faithfulness, lover. But I feel like there's love coming in your life that will that will lighten up your energy and actually lit up the life, okay? So there's going to be something that's beautiful, I see. So maybe lover is going to jump in the midst of the crisis, in the midst of the mess in your life, okay? Something is changing here. Some conversation with certain someone, loyal friend possible, will change. It's not always necessary that it should lead to only love relationships. Love come in different ways, right? But this may happen like this as well. So the race, whatever the race was full of hurdles. It was yet easy because it gave you, someone gave you boost here, you gave someone boost here, which came as like a kangaroo, okay? Now we're going to see more. I think I should keep these cards here so that you see them. That's all we are for. Okay, so you have love yourself first. I heard while in the process you were in, okay, or you are in. Your self-respect makes you more romantically attractive. I feel like someone who is not taking anyone's help. You not taking anyone's help. They not going to take anyone's help. It's someone, they don't want even the help of a Cupid. A Cupid does want to help, but they're like, stop, I want to make everything, like making the effort on my own. And with this comes trust. Someone is trusting this process, and you are also trusting. So you don't need any help, or they don't need any help. Again, the situation is calling for you to have faith. Someone is attracted towards you. They respect you. In one of my readings, I said that I need to respect my man, my person, to love him. Because if there is no respect, there is no love. Okay? So, let's see. The bottom energy was releasing your ex prior, which may be happening that you're releasing your past, which may go with the widower kind of energy. if that makes sense. Okay, like it is like, I am faithful, yes you are faithful, but it's been years if, and you deserve love, yes, and you really want some warmth, yes, and you have not done nothing wrong, and they would have loved you to be someone's part and to move on and to love again possible. If it is the matter, then you can love, because sometimes we don't need because we are very loyal, but then again we need, if it makes sense. What is coming in the future? In the future there's going to be involvement, engagement. Now engagement may go with the ring concept. Someone coming towards you, lover, okay, your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment, so this may happen in the future calling. Okay, lover is coming, faithful lover is coming, and this is going to make sense. Suddenly something is going to be, there's attraction, you attract romantic love by enjoying this moment fully. And this is sweetheart at the bottom. So it is someone who is reading out, seeing certain picture, like photograph, you both click together, or someone is sending you something which is very precious. You might be reading postcard or the letter actual, and this may happen, very beautiful, like it's like I'm hearing visitations, if that makes sense, if that's a word, I don't know, but something is going to be visiting you, kind of like the card, postcard, photograph, letter, email, text, call. That's going to lead to a beautiful life here. Music possible, someone is sending you music. Okay, let's see Aquarius. I have one question with that kangaroo. I'm going to use this deck here to figure out what. Can you see how it flipped? Just like the kangaroo jumps. Okay, the hangman, someone is holding in feelings, or someone is waiting right and at the right time. Sorry, I apologize for that blur. At the right time is coming when they're going to act. Someone is observing, thinking, making a move. Okay, and I feel that kangaroo is this person's energy of the hanged man. They're waiting for a long time to act on something, keeping a track of you even. However, this can go vice versa. Okay, but I feel someone who is going to act on the matter which is connected or dear to them or dear to you. 9 of Cups energy. So it's connected with, again, spiritual connection and the telepathy connection and the love, the desire and the wish, and certain desire coming true here after this break or pause or something like that. Someone awakens. What is this kangaroo wants? What is this kangaroo wants? Ooh, the kangaroo wants relationship with you, connection with you, karma with you, love with you. They're physically attracted to you, they're mentally attracted to you. They want to take action regarding this. They want to spend time with you. Okay? They want to offer you the best feeling ever. This person. They want to act on something that was devastated or was done in hurry. They want to possibly start again something with you, if that makes sense. What is this race all about? So the race is all about you on the go, or something was of the same speed. Okay? And while you're on this, like it's kind of like marathon. Not ending, but going. Okay? Some of you actually go on marathons or something like that. You participate. But this Knight of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, this is pickup energy. It's like while you're in the race and there's going to be suddenly kangaroo jumping, which means that there's going to be pickup. Okay? Now you can check the symbolism or something as per your will. It is someone, when kangaroos are very, very, like every mother and parent, parents, they are caring for their loved ones and the babies, but there's a pouch and the baby lives there for a long time, which means they carry them and they don't feel that burden. Okay, so this is like someone who is going to love and generate and grow with you and have a family even with you, that kind of love, being loyal, someone who is a life partner, someone who is capable of enduring and loving someone while growing, okay, and participating in the activities with the partner. That's what it is. Okay. Kangaroos are really smart, you know. So they have those biceps, and you've seen like videos. So there is someone who's very handsome and you know, or beautiful in that way, very caring, loyal, someone who can punch someone, kind of like they can take stand for you. I'm not talking about, you know, going that kind of vibe, but the fantasy and the desire that we have, if someone can protect us, yes. You know, if we talk about that kind of partner, then yes, that kind of energy, they're going to be calm, but when they need to, they're going to show their biceps, okay? They're going to tear their shirt apart and they're going to show like, this is my body. I can do anything for you, honey. I might not show it or show off, but I know what I am. I'm in my armor, okay? So don't judge me by the cover. That kind of energy. Wow, interesting. Let's see. Witch's Tarot by Alan Dugan. What are you up to? Not so many, but there's a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Hanged Man. This person is waiting, and they are also being affected. This King of Cups, just look at it. Okay, so Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, possible. They're in love with you. They were in love with you at first sight. If this is someone new, you're going to know. If this is not, they love you. Okay, they always loved you. They liked you. So the adoration goes way ahead. Five of Cups energy, someone who is disappointed by the fact that they lost the opportunity, or they never said something at the right time, possible, and now they are just seeing, okay? With the Hanged Man energy, oh my God, can you see here? The crow is there, the big crow, like a raven. It's a species raven, I feel. Okay, but they're not mentioning it, so we can take it as raven, or, you know, the blackbird, you know. So the Hanged Man, again, look right from here. So someone who is watching, observing, they're going to message, they're looking at you, where you are heading, okay? Like Knight of Cups. So for some of you, this is going to come. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, proposal, possible, and apology, possible. They are interested in knowing whether you're single or not. King of Swords energy, this can be Queen as well, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, but this is your wife. And this is giving me the energy of what lies ahead, okay? It's also, don't you dare, okay? Don't pull me down kind of energy. But you're just very confident, working, polishing yourself, and someone is King of Wands energy. Look, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, someone who is having in their chart, or maybe someone who is present in your life, they want to talk. Someone who is feeling upside down or possessive about you, or they don't know why they're feeling what they're feeling. And it's like the energy is like, what I can do? I feel that Kangaroo is like the Hanged Man, and the Hanged Man is like the King of Wands energy. Okay? So in the future coming. Look, Eight of Pentacles. Polishing yourself. You're polishing yourself. You're on the race. You never stop. And it's like the energy when they need to catch up, they are jumping in the mid. So the Kangaroo is the one who is jumping in your life, which is the person, okay? While you're on the go, while you're on your journey, working hard, polishing, specializing, and here you go, the distraction. Oh, hello, can you just wait? No, I can't wait. I am moving. If you want to jump, come along. And the one who is jumping very fast, like the Kangaroo, they need to slow down a little bit, and they need to hop with you, because you're in a marathon, so it's a long race to go. So if you can support me and go ahead with me, I'm not going to run like you, I'm not going to jump like you, I'm not going to be fast and furious, okay? So just stay put with me, kind of words, if it makes sense. So Eight of Pentacles, again, there's a crow. Look, it makes so much of sense. There's a crow. So while you are working, they're going to wait, okay? Or while you are busy, they're going to still stay there. It's like the true love should know to have patience, you know. I'm not saying avoiding or ignoring. I'm just talking about that they need to have, or need to learn patience. They can't be just hopping up so fast. No, it doesn't work like that. So in your future, there's going to be something that's going to go mending, and they need to just not act upside down. They need to be patient enough with you, okay? And the Lovers is coming with the Gemini sign, but with the Lovers does come love of your life, okay? So the one who is supposed to. And if like you have this energy of like, if it is supposed to be, it is supposed to be. So something is going to be very easy. even your work and things. Okay, I hope this is going to help you guys. I love you. See you soon. Bye. Take care.